Delicious, super healthy dish is ready. I'm going to give it a try. Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a vegan recipe which is low carb, which is high in protein and is extremely healthy because it is filled with superfoods and antioxidants. So I'm using sprouted mung beans for this. So you soak them overnight and then you tie them in a wet cloth just like I have done. Now this is a cloth that I have not bleached and that's the reason it has this weird color, but it's absolutely clean. So you tie it in a moist cloth and you will let it sit in a strainer for about 1 to 1.5 days, and you will see these small tiny white sprouts are growing out of it. That is when you're going to use it in a recipe. I throw all of my ingredients into this blender and I'm going to make a paste out of it. So I have green chilies, ginger, garlic, coriander, add some onions, and now you want to add a little bit of water and grind it. Now this is a live food, it's high in protein and it's lower in carbs than a regular mung bean would be. You can see that there's some water that separates because you need to put a little bit of water to grind this to a fine paste. I'm going to add a millet flour. So this is a jowar flour. You can use any millet flour, you can use coconut flour if you want. You could even use almond flour or flaxseed flour would really work well. So I'm adding about 3 tablespoons, mixing this. If you add more, then it's going to come together even better. Mix this up. Add salt. But if you want it to be fluffy pancakes, you can add a little bit of baking soda. If you think this is a good healthy recipe, you want to share it with your friends and family, there's a share button down there which you can click and share it. And also let me know in the comments if you like to watch vegan recipes, if you like to watch few more low carb healthy recipes including millets and other kind of grains. I'm going to eat this with a garlic, tomato, coriander chutney. You can eat it with sugar-free ketchup or any other chutney of your choice. Delicious, super healthy dish is ready. I'm going to give it a try. A little bit of lemon juice. So I hope you guys have liked watching this recipe. So click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell right next to it on all notifications to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. And thanks for watching. Bye.